I set out to find the best strategy for binary options, and I know that you want it too. Today, I'm launching a new series of videos where we will test the profitability of each strategy. And in this video, I have a strategy for you that I found somewhere on the internet. It consists only of 2 indicators, and its author claims it has a really high win rate. Now, me and you and I, we're gonna check it out. Thanks to your likes and comments, I will understand that this is worth developing this category further. And if you want me to check your strategy too, leave it in the comment section down below. And actually, any of your activities, subscribing to the channel, leaving comments, just watching the videos gives me a lot of motivation. So now let's get started. So for today's strategy, we need 2 indicators. First one is CCI. So we're gonna put all the settings just like the author did, and we're gonna make it blue just because I like the color. And now we have it on our screen. This is indicator oscillator, and it shows us basically the same thing as RCI, oversold and overbought areas. And let's look how it looks. So this is our CCI working zone. Let's make it bigger. And with CCI, we have specific zones from minus 100 till plus 100. And when the price goes outside of the level of minus 100, basically goes down, we understand that the market is in oversold area. And we expect this price to do a reversal and go up. And of course, when the price is higher than the level of 100, like here, for example, so it's plus 100 and it went to 244, we understand that the market is in overbought area and it's gonna go down. So additional, we're gonna add our moving average with the period 10. It's gonna be exponential moving average, and let's make it yellow. And let's do additional one, moving average with the period of 30, also exponential moving average, and it's gonna be blue. So we don't need anything else in this strategy, as the author says. And let's look at moving averages here. So I think you know how to use moving average crossover. You know, we have 2 of them. One of them is slow, one of them is fast. The slow one is blue one, the fast one is yellow one. If the fast one with the period of 10 is higher than the blue one, that means that the price is in uptrend. And we are trying to find potential entry points for the uptrend. And if it is vice versa, the yellow one is under the blue one, we are trying to find entry points for the downtrend. Now let's connect it with the CCI. Let's try to find a good point. So for example here, and the next one is also good example. Maybe even, yeah, sorry, whoopsies. It just did something interesting, but getting back to my point, so we have an interesting point right here. So the yellow one is under the blue one, so we're trying to find entry points for the downtrend, and the price is moving kind of along the moving average and doing pullbacks. So in this place, the pullback happened, and the price went from the 100 limit of 100, it's on 112, so that means that the market is in overbought area, and we are expecting the price to fall down, and the moving average again is under the blue one. That means that the price is going down, and the only thing is for us to find the entry point specifically, and entry points for us are going to be engulfing candlesticks. So in this case, it's a red one. We see really slow and really weak movement of green candlesticks, and it went to the moving average. The price went outside of the 100 level, and we see the big red engulfing candlestick, and this is the signal for us to open the deal for the downtrend, and it would be closed in black. Let's try to find an example for an uptrend. Of course, we're looking for the first thing, the moving average is supposed to be on the top for an uptrend, and somewhere along the lines right here, the CCI supposed to be under like minus 100 level. and we are expecting the price to go up. But in this case, we don't have engulfing candlestick, so no really fast rise of the price and no entry points. It happened a little bit later. CCI almost showed us the entry point. We have red candlesticks, then dodgy candlestick, and candlestick pattern basically shows us that there's going to be a reverse of the price and the price went up. So strategy is quite simple, right? We only searching for 3 confirmation: moving average, CCI, and engulfing candlestick pattern, or any other reversal candlestick pattern. So now to get it right, let's try to find a deal in real life and enter into a trading deal and use all of our knowledge on the practice finally. Alrighty, so let's enter into trade right here. So what do we have? This situation is interesting. It was an uptrend for quite a while, and right now we see the moving average crossover, so the price went down, and we see a pullback to our moving averages line, and the price went through the moving average. We see the doji candlestick, and then after we see the momentum candlestick that covers all 3 previous candlesticks, and it called bearish reline strike. This is a really good sign that the price is gonna go down, and of course in this case we're opening our deals for a downtrend, and let's see what's gonna happen in 3 minutes. What the hell? So far, this author strategy has cost me $100 right now. Oh my god. But let's not jump to conclusions, because as you know, there is no strategy with 100% win rate. And maybe we were just unlucky at the end of the day. So let's go to the backtesting platform and test it on 100 other deals. And after that, you will actually get a little bonus. I will also test 4 most popular strategies on my channel, and we will compare the results. Alrighty, so now we're getting to trading view, and right here we already have the table for backtesting for our stats, all the 100 trades, and we're gonna put on the result here. So we only have 2 things for the result. It's 80 or minus 100. So of course, if we win, we get 80%. If we lose, of course, we lose 100% of the money that we put on the deal. All right, now let me get everything ready, and right here, right there, yeah, looks good to me. Okay, so trading view for backtesting, we are using CCI with period 7 and 2 EMA with 10 and 30 period. The only thing is I decided to change the colors anyways. The fast EMA with the period of 10 is blue, and the slow one with the period of 30 is yellow. So let's start and let's see if we can find the first entry point, and we almost found it, but CCI, it's not at the right place. So let's continue, and the trend is going to change right now, change directions. Right here, right about here, we see our first entry point, and we see red candlesticks, then dodgy candlestick, and then green candlestick. That's enough of a good pattern for us to enter the trade. So this one is going to be number 1, and it's going to be closed in plus in black if you want, and the result is of course $80. So that kind of way we're going to use with all 100 deals. All right, I finished all 100 deals finally, and this is the result. 64% of win rate and $1,520 in profit. Amazing result. We didn't even do anything to this strategy, and if we improve it, I think the results would be even better on, like, I don't know, 5% of win rate more. That's just amazing. Even like that, with no improvements, this strategy works amazingly with binary options. So, goodness gracious, I spent about an hour and a half on this backtesting, but you know, the things that we do for the sake of science and of course profit. Now, I will test these 4 strategies from my channel and we will compare the results. But before we do that, I just wanted to remind you that if you want to study trading, I have my own academy where we analyze a lot of indicators, the basics of technical analysis, and if you want to join us, just simply text me on my Telegram, the link to which is, as always, in the description box under this video. Well, now let's start the backtest of 4 strategies on 400 deals. Oh my god. I'm finally done. It was a really long time, but I did it. Amazing. So let's talk about it. We have our stats for each and every strategy. First one, parabolic, shows us a 65% win rate and $1,700 in profit. MACD is actually number 1 today, and we have $1,880 in profit, 66% of win rate. Triple EMA actually showed the same result, and I'm really pleased with this strategy, even though the currency pair I used was not the ideal, and this strategy was supposed to show us around 73-75%, but in this test we have 66%, which is also an amazing result and still the same profit as the previous one. And the biggest disappointment of the day is super trend. So here we have only $440. Yes, strategy still is profitable, but from the last test that I had, the win rate went down a lot, 58%. So that's not good at all for us. And I think that we need to improve this strategy, and maybe I will do it. In the meantime, let's continue and let's look at all of the 5 strategies. So we have the data for all of them, and number 1, as I said, MACD and triple EMA, 66% of win rate, and profit is $1,880 of profit. Next one is parabolic, and today's strategy from the video is number 4, 64% of win rate, $1,520. I am impressed that this strategy is working with binary options so well, and I think that each and one of you can try this strategy on the demo account. And if you don't have it, you can find the link on the demo account in Quotex. It's completely for free for you. You can work with new strategies and do it with virtual money. But let's continue, and the biggest disappointment again is super trend. If you remember from the past, it was working much better and I need to improve it. I hope you like this format, and if so, do not forget to like up this video so that I can continue our list of the best strategies. And by the way, if you haven't seen the analysis of the 4 strategies that we tested today, links to them will be in the description box down below. And if you want to see the strategy that I trade myself, click right there. And that's going to be it for us for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.